Okay, ready for your concert? Start over. Wait. Look, watch the colors. Green. Yay! You want to do the rest?
No, you have to do a video. You have to do a CD, Mama.
What do you mean a CD?
Like this, Mama.
Oh, it has a CD with the book. I just don't have it yet. I'll have to buy it for you. Can you play it and sing the colors for me?
Red, red, green, green, yellow, yellow, green, orange, orange, blue, blue, purple, purple, red.
Good. Can you do the next page? I bet you can.
No.
Come on. I'll sing it and you can play it if you want.
Green, green, orange, orange, blue, blue, purple. Green, green, orange, orange, blue, 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 purple.
Now do the first page one more time and that's the end of the song.
Red, red, green, green, yellow, yellow.
Green, that's right.
Orange, orange, blue, blue, purple, purple, red.
I'm so proud of you. Clap for yourself. Clap, 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 clap. Yay for Kara.